Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance Readers. I feel that soon I will be able to start writing the third book also. Means the second book is already going on, but yes, this new idea has come in my mind while traveling to my new site, and yeah, I think it will be of the great help to work on the thought process of the people. To become successful in the pharmaceutical industry and to qualify any regulatory inspection towards no observation. And yeah, but qualifying the regulatory inspection is a journey, right? So you cannot think that within one day you will attain that level. You will have to work consistently on the thoughts, on the ideas, on the systems and the processes. To qualify the regulatory inspection with no observation is not a one-night journey. You will have to consistently work on the thought process, mindset of the people and on the habits of the people. You will have to work on the quality culture of the organization, and a lot of activities are to be done. So that's why I work on when I work with my clients for longer durations. Generally, most of the clients, minimum 1 to 2 years span is there, and yes, after working means at least minimum 8 months, based on the level the site is, I got the result that how the people and systems will be showing up in the audit. So it's a journey, and yes, even after once qualifying the regulatory inspection, do not guarantee you that whole life you will be keep on qualifying the same way. But yes, you will have to keep on working consistently. Right. Just I was talking about that I have one idea to publish about my third book. So in that book, I am thinking to publish about 101 ideas or thoughts which can make your site, or which can give you an insight how to become the blue pearl in blue ocean of compliance world. So blue pearl are my clients, means I have categorized or symbolized uh, symbolize my clients who qualify the regulatory inspection with no observation, and who have some special characteristics uh, that industry must follow. They are the leaders in the industry, and they have built some legacy, right? So, as I have published one article, that you cannot build your legacy by only doing the quick fix and doing the business, right? To build a legacy, you will have to uh, do some transformation in the world, right? You have to create the impact, and you have to uh, manufacture the products which are really going to bring the drastic change in the life of patient. So this is very big goal, and only qualifying with no observation do not certify you that you are you only qualifying the regulatory inspection with no observation do not ensure that you have reached to that level. But yes, we can say that we are on the way to journey, right? So, or we are on the journey. So I have thought that that thought process, or that mindset which can lead you to that path of legacy, that I am thinking to publish something in my third book. So that idea came in my mind. So just flight landed in the airport, and just I'm going to collect my baggage, and so much excited to do the workshop, and working on the new side, new client and new people. But yes, I'm sure that I'm going to create the impact. So that's the message I wanted to give to all of you. With this message, Dr. Rupani Paran is signing out and taking. Bye.